I want to be completely honest with you from the start. I built 3 separate AI-powered income streams at the same time. I gave each one 30 days of real effort, real time, real focus. And the results were not what I expected at all. One worked better than I ever imagined. One worked, but not in the way I thought it would. And one completely failed to generate meaningful income despite everything I tried. Today, I am sharing the complete honest results, what I built, what happened, and the most important lesson I learned about building income with AI. Welcome to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day with fresh AI strategies. Subscribe now and hit the bell so you never miss tomorrow's video. The 3 income streams I built. I chose 3 income streams that are genuinely different from each other. Different time requirements, different skills, different monetization models. I wanted to test whether AI could make all 3 work simultaneously for one person starting from zero. Income stream 1 was AI content writing services, offering blog posts, email newsletters, and social media content to small businesses using Claude as my primary writing tool. Service-based, active income, client relationships required. Income stream 2 was AI-generated digital products, creating and selling prompt packs, content templates, and productivity guides on Gumroad. Passive income model. Build once, sell repeatedly. No client relationships. Income stream 3 was affiliate marketing through an AI-focused blog. Writing SEO articles with Claude targeting keywords related to AI tools, earning commissions when readers clicked and purchased through my affiliate links. Slowest to build but longest-term passive income potential. 3 completely different models. Same time period, same person, same AI tools. Income stream 1. AI content writing services. The content writing service was the fastest to generate income. Within the first week, I had my first paying client through LinkedIn. By the end of month 1, I had 4 retainer clients paying a combined total of $520 per month. Claude produced first drafts for every deliverable. I edited each one carefully, added personal insights and specific examples, and delivered consistently before every deadline. The income was real and meaningful, but the time investment was also real. Managing 4 client relationships, delivering multiple pieces of content per week, and handling revisions and communication consumed approximately 12 hours per week. Income stream 1 result, $520 per month. Requires 12 hours per week of active work. Income stream 2, AI digital products. The digital product stream was the one that surprised me most. Not because it performed the best, but because of how it performed. I created 3 products using Claude. A prompt pack of 50 high-quality Claude prompts for business owners. A 30-day content calendar template for coaches and consultants. And a beginner guide to using AI for freelancers. I listed all 3 on Gumroad, priced between $9 and $27. Promoted them through LinkedIn posts, my YouTube channel description, and 3 dedicated blog articles. Month 1 total sales, 14 units across all 3 products. Revenue, $211. Not spectacular, but genuinely passive. The products were built in 1 weekend. They required 0 ongoing work. Every sale arrived while I was doing other things. The most important realization from income stream 2, digital products have no ceiling and no ongoing cost. A content writing client pays me once per month for ongoing work. A digital product earns forever from a single creation effort. Month 2, the same products earned $160 with 0 additional work. Income stream 2 result, $211 month 1, $160 month 2. Fully passive. No ongoing time required. Income stream 3, affiliate blog. This was the one that failed, at least within the 30-day window. I built the blog correctly. I chose a focused niche. I published 16 SEO articles using Claude over 30 days, each one targeting a specific keyword related to AI tools for beginners. I set up affiliate partnerships with 3 AI tool companies. Month 1 affiliate revenue, $11. 2 clicks that converted. This was not a failure of the strategy. It was a failure of timeline expectations. SEO takes time. Google takes 3 to 6 months minimum to index and rank new content meaningfully. The 16 articles I published are assets that will compound in value over the following months. But within a 30-day window, they generated almost nothing. Income Stream 3 result, $11 month 1. Long-term potential is high. Short-term return is near zero. The overall results combined income across all 3 streams in month 1, $742. Real money. Generated using AI tools, starting from zero in 30 days. But here is the most important lesson the results taught me. The content writing service generated the most income fastest, but it is not scalable without more time. Every dollar requires active, ongoing work. The digital products generated the least in month 1, but they require zero ongoing time and scale infinitely. 10 more products means 10 times the revenue with no additional time cost. The affiliate blog generated almost nothing in month 1, but it is building an asset that compounds automatically. In 6 months, those 16 articles will likely generate more passive income than any single client pays per month. The lesson is not which income stream works best. It is that different income streams have completely different time-to-value curves. Service income is fast but capped. Product income is slow to start but scalable. SEO income is the slowest but the most compounding. The right answer is not to pick one. It is to build all 3 simultaneously, accepting that each pays off on a different timeline. Your action plan starting today. Choose your fastest income stream and start it today. For most beginners, that is a service-based offering using AI tools. Use that income to build your digital products in parallel. And start your SEO content now, because 6 months from now, you will wish you had started today. 3 income streams, 3 timelines, 1 person with AI tools. Which of these 3 income models are you most interested in building? Drop it in the comments. I personally reply to every comment. If these honest results gave you a clearer picture of AI income strategy, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day. See you tomorrow.